Good morning everyone and welcome to my channel 2H Combo. Today I'm gonna show you my fig cuttings that I got from a neighbor. So here's one. This one even has some fruits. Here's another one. Nice looking, straight, that's what you want. Another one, it has some fruits. You cannot really plant cuttings like this with, fruits and leaves on, because the energy is gonna go to saving the leaves and the fruits and not developing the roots. So we need to trim them off and leave as little as possible. That way the cuttings will spend more time developing roots. Let's do it. There's a branch that broken off from the main tree, and the cambia or the bark is peeled off, damaged. So you cannot really use this area because it's not gonna grow. So we want to cut below this node but above this node. So cut it right here. And then for this, not many leaves, it's not good. As I said, the cutting is gonna spend more time saving the leaves and the fruits and not developing roots, so it's gonna die. So we need to trim off all the leaves. Okay, the fruits cannot stay. Now, even with these many leaves, there are too many, so need to trim some more. Okay, that much. I think I'm happy with this one. So it's quite long and that much. So right now I'm gonna just put it in water and then gonna plant it later today. Here's another one. I cut above this node but below the next one. And cut off all the leaves. Like that. So this one only has that many leaves left. No fruits. One more. Fig is easy to grow. I tried when I was in Florida. I brought it from California. It took a long time for it to grow and give me some fruits. Part of it because the sandy soil in Florida was not really good, And besides, I had problem with nematodes, which is really common in Florida. So what it is, the nematode develops some kind of nodes all along the root system. So the plant couldn't really get all the nutrients, so it was a slow growth. But other than that, it'll be fine. Hopefully here we don't have that kind of problems. I don't think so, because I haven't heard anything. I need to do a little bit more research maybe. If you know anything as far as disease common in this area, Georgia, for fig trees, you can give me some comments down below. I will plant them and show in a video later. So this one is like that. For those who are not familiar with fig trees, you don't really need to buy them. All you need to do is get some cuttings from a neighbor, from a friend, and stick them in a pot or in the ground directly. They will develop roots and you get figs. Part of it, these are mature branches, so they're ready to give fruits. You just need roots so that they can become trees. Also, fig is really easy to grow if it is in the right zone. I think Georgia is okay. I have them in a glass jar with some water. I'll plant them later today. Either put in a pot or just put them directly in the ground. I already put in the ground one of the cuttings. So this is what it looks like. Not much to it, just dug a hole and stuck the cutting in the ground. Water it. Hopefully it'll grow. We'll see. I'll do an update video later. Here's another one, because I planted 3 of them. This is the second one. It looks a little bit wilted. It was in the sun, so we'll see. Alright, that's all, guys. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.